Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you are looking for a smartwatch, this video is for you. So this is a smart watch, and I'm gonna give you all the details that come with this, the different types of bands, how easy they are to change, and some very, very cool features that have to do with all the different stuff that goes on inside this thing. So everything that comes with this includes the face. This is a touch screen face. There is 2 buttons on either side, and it has some sensors that are underneath it that will pick up a whole bunch of different things that have to do with, let's just say, blood pressure and oxygen levels and a whole bunch of stats. The face itself is roughly about 1.5 inches. Also comes with a second rubber band. So there's a rubber wrist strap and then a second style wrist strap. This one just has like some more holes in it. This one's a little bit more simpler. Then it has a Velcro type material strap that can be adjusted. It doesn't come apart, so it stays together, goes on, and then you just pull, and it Velcros and gets it nice and tight. All 3 look to be water resistant, meaning they can be in water and everything is good to go. A cool feature is that it also can be connected to an app. So in the instructions, there is a full-blown app that can sync with this. And then all of the data that is stored from exercise, sporting type things, heart rate, all the different things that might be important, distance travel, can all be synced and stored and recorded in the actual integrated app, which is also very, very cool. The app allows to track a whole bunch of different things from where the wearer is going, from a geographic standpoint. And then there's a whole bunch of different settings that can be turned on, from heart, blood, emotional stress, call reminders. There's texting that can be done through the app. Just a whole bunch of different things that pretty much, can allow some customization that the user, when they're wearing, can have this set up. Another cool feature is that there's a find bracelet. So if the user was looking for the watch, this can be notified on the phone and then would make that audio sound to kind of help figure out where it might gone missing. It does come with a magnetic style charger, which just clips in place and then it will do its charging. Very cool. And there's a visual indicator letting you know how the charging is going. There are only 2 buttons on the side. One is turns the face on or off. This also can be basically, you could shake it and it can activate the screen. And there's some settings as far as like how long do you want the screen to be displayed, how bright, dim, from a screensaver standpoint. All those types of things are integrated. There's 4 different ways to swipe the screen to then go to the next, let's just say, category of features. A swipe up will take to, let's just say if there's a text message or something that came through, that will take you immediately to that. Swiping down will take more to like settings. So there is a ringtone, which can be easily adjusted. Audio tones, stock, basically kind of like setting it back the way it was. There's a brightness feature. This can be used as a stopwatch, as a timer. There's also a ringing function where you come and you can click the watch face and it will then dial the phone, which is really cool. So if you're looking for your phone, this is a sort of a reverse way. Instead of trying to find the watch, you can now find the phone. There's a flashlight, which basically just means the screen's a little bit brighter. Calculator, the camera, it can be managed from here. So with a quick shake of the watch, it will actually take a picture. Very, very cool. So you don't even need to use your phone and pull up the camera. It literally, when this is turned into camera mode, it will activate the camera on the phone and go straight into that, which is just nice and convenient, especially from an activity standpoint. You don't need to pull the phone out and go to the camera and all that stuff. It can all be done very, very quickly. A quick shake of the hand and then it's taking the picture. That's pretty cool. Swipe to the left will give an indication of tracking when it comes to steps, calories, mileage, basically athletic type stuff. And then kind of give some more detailed information about the different categories, which is kind of cool. So this would be like a BPM tracker. A swipe to the right has a training mode, which then allows the user to kind of pick what let's just say, activity they're doing, because maybe you want to track that data and have that stored in your app, which is very cool, because then depending on if you're very active and you have a lot of different things going on, you can specifically track certain things that might be going on with just a click of a button. Which phone calls and text can be done through the integration of the watch and the phone. Shortcut to, let's just say, BPM or sleep, weather, music, text messages, alarm clock, stress, mood, breathing, whole bunch of different things. Games, voice assist, raise to wake, UV index, just a whole plethora of a variety of different things that might be important to the user. Very, very cool. The actual watch face design can be customized. So this is the default, another version, and then there's just a ton of different customizing options, really based on what the user might like. The face theme can also be changed. So the default is what's been shown, but then there's Nest, which basically allows all of them kind of visual, so you can pick which one you want very quickly. There's also a spin option. So at a quick spin left or right, it will highlight in the center the app integration that might be that the user might want. For example, here is the weather app. Hopefully this answered any and all questions you might have about what I would say is a very, very cool smartwatch. Full disclosure, this company did send this to me and said, Ryan, give us an honest review. Hopefully that came across, and we'll talk to you soon.